Hello everyone, welcome back to Abena'sKitchen. In this video, we'll be making my yummy, rich and flaky pie recipe. I'm gonna list all the ingredients in the description box. So first of all, I like to blend some onion and garlic into my pie because of the aroma. It gives it a very nice smell. So I've got here 1 small onion and 3 cloves of garlic. To blend this, I'm gonna add my salt. So I'm using 1.5 teaspoons of salt. To get a flaky pie, we want all our ingredients to be chilled. So I added a little bit of chilled water to help the blending process. I'm gonna keep this in the fridge while we prepare the other ingredients. For my filling, I've got some tuna chunks, adding some onions and carrots I chopped in my food processor. Guys, if you've got these kitchen appliances, please use them. They make life so easy. I'm adding a pinch of black pepper and some stock powder. We are going to set this one aside as well. For my pie crust, I'm using 1.5 kg of plain flour. So I placed my flour in the fridge overnight. This will also help in getting that flaky crust we are looking for. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of nutmeg. So guys, this is one of my secrets. I add some powdered milk to my pie. So I'm gonna be adding, for 1.5 kg of flour, I'm gonna be adding 3 tablespoons of powdered milk. This will give it that rich and unique taste. As I was saying before, all our ingredients need to be chilled. So I put the manchurian in the freezer for about 30 to 45 minutes. I'm using 1 kilogram of margarine. Normally it's a 2:1 ratio. That is 2 parts of flour and 1 part of margarine. But I'm adding more margarine because I want my crust to be rich and flaky. I'll list all the measurements in the description box. It's now time to combine the flour and the margarine. So as you can see, I'm not putting in too much pressure. This is because we don't want to activate the gluten in the flour. Gently rub the margarine in. This is how it should look like when everything is combined. I'm going to add my onion and garlic blend. Remember, we put this in the fridge so it is nice and cold. I'll repeat it again. Make sure you're not kneading it as if you're making bread. You're not making bread. I added extra water, just a little bit, to rinse the container which had the onion and the garlic blend. Another tip is that you don't need a lot of water when making pie. Adding too much will make your pie hard. So as you can see, I'm making these circular motions with my hands just to get the water to get to all corners. So this is our final crust. I don't mold it into balls or anything. I just leave it like this. To make our pie, you need a rolling pin and some cookie dough cutter. I've got these square ones because of the shapes I'm going for. You can even use, I normally use that, but because I'm making a YouTube video and for presentation purposes, I got this cookie dough cutter. Then you need some water to seal the edges up. Gently roll your crust. Don't put too much pressure in. As you can see, I'm not going up and down with the rolling pin. I'm going up all through and then back all through. You shouldn't be doing that, no, because we don't want a tough dough. I roll it to the thickness that I'm going for. I'm going to use my cutter. You can use any shape that you want, either round shapes. I'm going to brush the edges with some water. I'll add my filling. You can use your fork to press on the edges, but I'm using my fingers because in my opinion it's nicer. You can either use your index finger or your thumb. Instead of using egg to glaze my pies, I'll be using some evaporated milk because I don't want to waste the egg. Already preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius and I'm gonna bake them for about 30 to 35 minutes. It all depends on your oven. Our pie is all done. Look at how gorgeous they are looking. They were very, very yummy. I'm gonna break one for you to see how flaky this is. Very, very flaky. Look at that. You can never go wrong with this pie recipe. Try this and thank me later. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video, comment and like. See you on my next video. Bye.